Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Andita Prameswari with NPN 2241215 and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I want to make a presentation about legal, technological, accounting and political environments. Okay, in this international business, the external environment greatly influences a company's strategy and operations. The four important aspects within the primary concern are law, this is the technology, accounting, and politics. Understanding the dynamic of the four help to companies adapt and remain competitive in the global marketplace. The external environment is not just outside influence, but elements such as regulations, technological challenge, financial recording system, and politics can greatly determine the success or failure of the business expansion. Therefore, we will discuss these factors one by one in depth. Without any further ado, let's move on to the next slide. First of all, a domestic company must follow the laws and customs in the home country. International business face a more complex task. The company must comply not only with the law in its own country, but also with the law of the destination countries in which it operates. The law is a country of the origin in the law of the destination country can greatly influence the way international business company conduct their business. The legal environment includes the rule regulations and law of the apply in the country where the company operates. It includes number one is international trade law, number two is labor regulations, number three is intellectual property protections, and number four we have the tax law and important duties. Multinational companies must really understand the regulations that apply in each country. Failure to comply with the law can result in the hefty sanctions of fine or even the ban of operations. So it is important to have the financial and international legal decisions or local consultant to minimize legal tax. This is the legal environment. Next we have to technological environment. Technology is not only tools, but also weapon in the global competitions. Business that ignore technological advantage and businesses that have difficulty surviving, especially as the world moves towards to fully automated digital era. Technology is the main driver of global business transformations. Companies that want to compete the international market and must be able to adapt to latest technology both in the productions, marketing, and distributions. The internal artificial intelligence and cloud based on the management system have enabled companies to operate across borders more quickly and efficiently. The continuously developing technological environments force companies to always innovate as not the left behind the global competitions. Technology has a major impact of global business efficiency. Technological innovations make it possible. There are the real-time cross-border communications. There are the production process automation. And next, there are the digitalization of distribution system. And next, there are the global market data analysis. Companies that are slow to adapt the technology will be left behind by their competitors. Technology also creates new opportunities. For example, e-commerce allows small business to reach global markets and without having to have branch reach abroad. Okay, there are the technological environment. Next, we have to accounting environment. Accounting is not just about recording transactions. Accounting is the international business. Accounting play a role of decision making, cross-border tax reporting, and accounting is the making decisions cross-border tax reporting, and transparency to investors and stakeholders. And international business, difference in accounting systems are the challenge in themselves. Countries use the different standards such as IFRS and GAAP. It means the companies must to be able to prepare financial reports that can be understood globally. Transparency for financial report is also key to attracting investors and building market trust. Good accounting enables companies to make more informed managerial decisions in global tax. So the accounting environment is important to business international, and accounting environment is the present financial report and the go international be understood the cross country that are the important to us to learn, and accounting environment standards such as IFRS and GAAP and understood for the report accurate to trustworthy. Okay, let's move on the next slide. We have the political environment. As we know, politics and business can be spread. The political conditions of the country can be great opportunity for even a major the obstacles to the international business growth. Political stability in the country has a major impact of the continuity of international business. Country with able to political policy that be friendly towards foreign investors will be the main destination of multinational companies. One of the other hand, countries that acquire experience political upheavals with the consider high risks. In addition, government policies regarding international trade and traffic and trade agreements will greatly influence a company expansion strategy. The political stability of country greatly influences business continuity. Political factors include: number one is trade policy, number two is government stability, next the diplomatic relations between countries, and there they have two risks of nationalization of government interventions. Political uncertainty can make investors hesitate. For example, the countries can frequently change economic policy can cause business costs to increase. Therefore, political analysis of the often important part of the international markets feasibility studies. The political environment, I repeat, there are the four factors includes: number one is trade policy, number two is government stability, number three is development and diplomatic relations between countries, and next we have the risks of nationalizations of government interventions. Okay, I want to explain in the next slide about the impact of corporate strategy. No strategy is suitable for all countries. Companies that are flexible and responsive to the external environments will be find it easier to adapt and survive in the global market. The impact of corporate strategy also companies must adapt their business strategies based on the legal, technological, accounting, and political environments in this destination country. This strategy includes: number one is business model adjustment, number two is selection of local partners, number three is technology investment according to the country, and next we have the adaptation of financial reporting. There are the impact of corporate strategy. There are the important we learn the impact of corporate strategy. Next we have move on the next slide. There are the challenge and solution in the business international and the lesson of this material. The challenge is: number one is legal and political uncertainty, number two is technological inequality, and next challenge is difference in accounting standards. So the challenge, there are the solution in this challenge. The solution is collaboration with the local partner And next, the solution number two is self-training and digital transformation. And next, we have to independent consultation and audit. There are the challenge and solution in this lesson. And in this case, next we have to case study. We have to example in Apple Inc. Apple Inc. is one of the global technology companies that show how legal, technological, accounting, and political vectors deeply influence their international strategy and operation. Number one is legal environment. Apple relies on international legal protections of the patents and trademarks. In many cases, Apple is involved in legal disputes to defend copyright to product and innovations, especially in the Asian market. The Apple Inc. Have a legal environment and international legal protection for the patent and trademark. Okay, the case study Apple number two is technological environment. Apple leads in innovation through massive investment in research and development. Apple's production technology is also being transferred to other countries, such as China and India, through manufacturing partnerships with local companies, enabling global production efficiency. Next, we have the accounting environment. Apple uses International Financial Reporting Standard (IFRS) and US GAAP. There are Apple have that to deliver transparent financial report to global investors, of course. And this accounting for the help Apple maintain trust in the international capital market. Okay. Next, we have the political perspective. Apple must adapt to trade policies between countries, such as import tariffs, export restrictions, and certain components, as well as political tensions between the United States and China, which have their impact for their supply chains and sales in Asia. Okay, before I end this material, I want to give a conclusion. The legal, technological, accounting, and political environments are not just outside influence, but also rather an element that shapes on success of international business strategy. Global companies must be able to analyze and adapt to environmental challenge, and by understanding the four aspects, we are not already to complete but also contribute to global economic growth in a sustainable and responsive manner. Okay, there are the conclusion in this material, and there are no slides again. Then, yeah, that's all for my presentation today. I hope you understand what I say. I apologize if there were any mistakes in delivering the material. If you found this video helpful for you, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.